Hi guys, in this video I will give you WhatsApp Meta AI update. So if you already don't know, then let me tell you that Meta AI is essentially a built-in AI assistant for WhatsApp. It will be able to answer your questions and find information directly within the app without needing you to switch to any other browser or any other application. So in order to use Meta AI in your WhatsApp application, you have two ways. In the first method, you can directly interact with Meta AI. In order to do this, you will have to tap on this little circle in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and then you will be landed on this Meta AI section. Now over here, you can start typing your question or you can start interacting with Meta AI directly. The second way of using Meta AI is you can use it while having your conversation with any other person or in the group. In order to do this, you will have to just select the profile of the person or any of the groups in which you want to ask any question using Meta AI. After that, you need to press @ and then you are going to see Meta AI option over here. So you need to tap on Meta AI. After that, you just have to write the prompt that you want to give to Meta AI. Let's say I want to ask it a question, which is this question. So after that, you just have to press this enter button. Now once you press enter, it will show you this prompt which says only messages that mention @Meta AI are sent to Meta. Meta can't read any other messages in this chat. Some responses may be inaccurate or inappropriate. You can even tap over here in order to learn more about it. So after giving it the prompt, it will take some time to generate the responses. You can even generate the images using Meta AI. For that, you need to first press this @ option, and after that you need to select Meta AI. Then you need to select this / option, and then you are going to see this imagine button. So if you tap on imagine, after that you just have to start typing the prompt of the image that you want Meta AI to generate for you. After that, you just have to press this send button, and then it will take some time and it will generate the image for you. So this is the Meta AI update on WhatsApp. If you are not able to get this update on your WhatsApp app, then you will have to launch your Play Store or App Store. And after that, you need to use the search bar, and in the search bar, you need to type WhatsApp. After that, you need to check whether you are getting any update of WhatsApp or not. If you are getting any update, then you just have to tap on the update button in order to update it, and most probably you are going to get this feature once you update WhatsApp to the latest version. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.